Hello from Soft System. Today we are going to show a wonderful workflow setup such as IP to IP workflow setup. I will explain the workflow, how the concept is working. Let's come here. So this is the basic idea, how the connectivity of the design to going to use IP to IP workflow. So normally you can use a PTZ camera with the PoE switch with the joystick. You can use any one of the router for connecting for the internet, and either you can use vmix or go live. So from the system you can use for Facebook live, YouTube live, sports live, whatever live if you require. It support all the lives because you are using vmix software. And this is the basic idea. All are connected via LAN cable through the PoE switch. From the PoE switch also the joystick connected, internet also connected, and the laptop also connected, all controlling via PoE. And the beauty of this one, you don't not require for HDMI cable, SDA cable, USB cable, power cable, because single LAN cable can give all the facility functions. Okay, I will show the physical connectivity, how the setups are going there. So let's see here. This is the camera 1. So we have camera 1 PTZ camera, and if you see single LAN cable. So this single LAN cable you can connect power, video, everything. If you see backside, there is a single LAN cable. Same like we are connecting second camera. So that second camera also same scenario. If you see backside is a single LAN cable. So see the single LAN cable. So this is a basic idea. So the single LAN cable from this PTZ camera 1 and this PTZ camera 2, both are connected via the center switch. So this is a switch. That switch is a PoE switch. This switch will give the power, control, everything from the switch, and this is the powerful joystick key to control the camera. Example, I can simply go to the camera list. I can select my camera, which camera I want to control. For example, I'm connecting the one of the camera here. Okay, so I'm just connecting, and after that I can able to control. If you see in that system, we are using the vmix system, and in the vmix we are not using any capture card. So because the single LAN cable going to my vmix system, so the source is coming from via network. Okay, if you see here, we have connected two camera. So it's a camera 1, okay, and camera 2. So I'm just switching it here, camera 1, camera 2. That means one camera, two camera connected via NDI. So that means it's IP network. Okay, then I can control it here. So I can select a camera. See, I'm just moving it here. So the camera is moving here. Okay, so see the joystick I'm using. See in the joystick I'm pressing here. So the camera also moving here. Also the camera also moving. If you see here, I can use the camera. See that camera is moving, I think. So if you see here, that camera. See that camera is moving. See the camera is moving. So I'm controlling from here. The sources are moving here. Same like I'm connecting a second camera. Simply I come here, camera list. I can select the another camera. Then I can control this camera. If you see here, I'm controlling this camera. So this is the basic idea of the joystick. Okay, so I can also easily zoom. If you see here, I'm zooming in, okay, and zooming out. Okay, then I'm moving the cameras, then I'm moving the cameras using the joystick, or you can use this focus button. See, I'm zooming in, I'm zooming out. See the zoom in happening here, and zoom out happen here. Okay, also I can adjust focus, speed, iris, everything in the control. So this is the idea of the basic control. So then I can go, I want to change to another camera. I can simply come here, camera list. I can change the camera. So then after second camera, see the second camera zooming in. So we have the zoom in and we have the zoom out. Okay, also I can change the move the camera. See, I'm moving the camera. See, I'm just clear, smoothly I'm moving, smoothly I'm zooming it here. Zoom in, zoom out. Okay, then I can go here, or then I can change the camera position. See, I'm just moving it camera here. So this is a basic operation. So the main camera operator, they can sit in one place. The beauty of the workflow, one person can take control all of the equipment, from the camera, from the joystick, from the source mixing, everything one man show. So the one man can control everything easily. So because of the IP workflow, instead of vMix if you are using, you can use for OBS or any other IP software like GoLive software, same like GoLive, vMix, OBS, all are supported. But for our use case scenario, for demo purpose, we are using a vMix because most of the people are vMix system for software for the live streaming purpose. So I'm just connect my complete workflow setup through the vMix, and from here you can after that you can do whatever operations, what are the settings. Who are the vMix user, they can easily do that vMix production. But our scenario, for you to understand how our product is connected via the single LAN cable through the switch, through the joystick control, how the input is coming here. So that is the idea, and this is the basic workflow, how the setup is connected. This is our bonding router for combining multi-internet, or you can use normal TP-Link, D-Link router also. Also, you can connect this joystick to control about more cameras. That means there is a direct button, you can connect up to 7 cameras, and you can call a preset. There is more function, so all the functions available here. For your use case scenario, for your production workflow, you can customize how you want it. So I hope you understand how the connectivity of the product, how the product is working, how the input is coming in the vMix. So if you need more detail about the design, about the product, about that complete setup and solution, I give my contact detail, kindly call me. Thank you.